Welcome. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use Grammarly to answer questions on Quora and also use Grammarly also to write skilled and to write quality articles. So stay with me to the end of this video. This is online store. If you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Like this video and also share it to others. Step 1, come over to your Chrome browser. Come over to your Chrome browser, and on your Chrome browser, make sure you install Grammarly Chrome extension on your browser. Now, how do you do that? Just come over to your browser and type Grammarly Chrome extension. Look at it here, Grammarly Chrome extension. Select this one, the first one here, click on it. Now, come over. First of all, you have to sign in with your Google account. So I'll do so. Now, click on Get Grammarly. Now, agree and sign up. Sorry, use your Google account to sign up first. Right, I choose this. So let's wait for it. Now you have to answer few of these questions. So I'll choose other project next. My other projects are, can skip that. Now click on add to Chrome. Right, come over here and then add your Grammarly to Chrome extension. Now add extension. So let's wait for it. It's downloading. After the download is completed, it will install on its own. Right, it's done. Look at it here. It's done. Now let me head over to my main account where I have a Quora account. By the way, if you don't know how to create Quora account, I've already treated that on this channel. What you have to do is to come back and watch this video. This is the video here, this particular video here. Come and watch this video. This is where I teach how to create Quora account that is well set up and running. So right, so I'm here, am I in my Quora account. I want to use this, I want to answer this particular question here. Where can I find video editors for YouTube videos? So I want to answer this question. So what you have to do is for you to click here, click on answer. Now after that, if you what Grammarly needs is just what I would say, how should I put it, a prompt. Yes, just give Grammarly just an headline. Yes, let me just put it that way. You just give Grammarly a headline. So once you give Grammarly a headline, Grammarly is just for Grammarly to understand what you're about to write, and the Grammarly will automatically complete the article for you. So for instance, this man asked this question here: where can I find video editors for YouTube videos? So in my own case, I wanna direct this person to Fiverr, for instance. So I need a short, a detailed, I need a detailed answer that After this, I will be able to direct this person to answer this question uh, effectively. And I wanna give Grammarly just a headline. So from that, Grammarly will give me a detailed write-up, and I'll use that to submit this answer effectively. Now, how do you do that? So I already have an idea about this question here, and I want to direct this person to Fiverr affiliate. So what I'm going to do is this. I'll write this. We use Grammarly to check for writing, grammar errors. Yes, Grammarly can correct sentences errors, and Grammarly also can be used to check plagiarism. So, but in this case, I want to use Grammarly to, as an AI that will help me to write and arrange my articles well for me. So to do that, I want Grammarly to complete this sentence for me. So what I'll do is to highlight this. Look at this pencil icon here, click on it. Now look at what Grammarly have done. So have you considered using Fiverr for your needs? It's a great platform that may be worth checking out. So look at the few sentence I just made here. Look at what Grammarly did for me, but this is not enough for me. What I will do here, I will click on more, and I will tell Grammarly to make it more detailed. So let's see what Grammarly will do for us. Click on it. Now look at it. Grammarly have written this for me. Say, hello there. I hope you are doing well. I wanted to suggest a platform that you might find helpful for your needs. Fiverr is a great website that offers a wide range of services from freelancers all over the world. Whether you are looking for someone to design your website, write contents for your blog, or even create a logo for your businesses, you will find plenty of talented professionals on Fiverr who can help you out. I highly recommend checking it out. So, Grammarly have written this for us. The next thing to do is for you to click on insert. Let's see what will happen. Look at it. Grammarly have completed this sentence for us. So what I'll do here is for me to click on post. Now the next thing is for you to choose your criteria. If you don't know how to do this, if you don't know how to create a criteria, you can also drop the comment down below. This helps Quora to direct you to the proper audience. So after this, so I want to choose this one, or no, let me choose this one, and then click on done. So I've answered this question effectively. That's it. With Grammarly, you can confidently write articles that are polished, error-free, and captivating. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Happy writing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching this video.